Hello, local businessman. Are you trying to run Google Ads by own, or you're trying to hire someone who can handle your Google Ads properly, but you don't know how to uh, hire a guy who can handle your Google Ads and give you lots of calls and leads. So no worries, I'm here to help. I'm a Google Ads expert, and I also a local business marketing expert. So I will learn you how to run Google Ads by home, and uh, I will learn you actually each and everything about Google Ads inside out, and also marketing strategy for you. So you can hire a Google Ads guy, or or if you don't want to hire someone, you can run Google Ads by home. So I will provide you each and everything, and I will upload every day uh, the every kind of tips and trick uh, providing by videos. So stay tuned. And another good news is you can join our a community in for a Google Ads expert, for a Google Ads who wants to run Google Ads by home. Uh, so I will give you the each and everything in the details of the first comments and also in the descriptions. And if you want to fill any kind of questions, if you want to ask anything directly, you can knock me. I will keep my details in the description. So stay tuned with me. Thank you so much.